Highway surveyors play a crucial role in the planning and construction of roads and highways. In Indirapuram, a rapidly developing suburb of Delhi, the presence of skilled and experienced highway surveyors is essential to ensure the smooth functioning of transportation infrastructure. These professionals are responsible for conducting surveys and collecting data to determine the best route for a highway, assess the condition of existing roads, and identify any potential obstacles or challenges that may arise during the construction process. Indirapuram, being a densely populated area with a high volume of vehicular traffic, requires meticulous planning and precise execution of highway projects. This is where the expertise of highway surveyors comes into play. They use advanced surveying equipment and techniques to accurately measure distances, angles, and elevations, thus providing accurate data for designing and constructing the highways in Indirapuram. With their knowledge and skills, these surveyors can identify the most suitable alignment for the highway, taking into account factors such as terrain, existing infrastructure, and environmental concerns. In addition to determining the route and alignment of highways, highway surveyors in Indirapuram also play a vital role in designing the road itself. They analyze the traffic patterns and volume to ensure that the road can accommodate the anticipated traffic flow. They also consider factors such as safety, drainage, and signage to create a road design that is efficient and meets the required standards. They are also involved in the construction phase, where they provide guidance and supervision to ensure that the project is executed according to the approved plans. They monitor the progress of construction, conduct regular inspections, and make adjustments as necessary to ensure that the highway is built to specifications. Road and highway planning and construction rely heavily on the work of highway surveyors. The presence of knowledgeable and experienced highway surveyors is crucial to ensuring the efficient operation of the transportation infrastructure in Indirapuram, a fast-growing Delhi suburb. These experts are in charge of performing research and gathering information to choose the optimum route for a highway, evaluate the state of current roads, and pinpoint any potential difficulties or hurdles that might emerge along the construction process. Due to Indirapuram's dense population and high volume of motor traffic, highway developments must be carefully planned and executed. Here is where highway surveyors' knowledge is useful. They precisely measure distances, angles, and elevations using cutting-edge surveying tools and methods, providing reliable information for developing and building Indirapuram's motorways. These surveyors may determine the best alignment for the roadway using their expertise and knowledge, taking into account the terrain, existing infrastructure, and environmental concerns. Highway surveyors in Indirapuram are essential to the design of the road in addition to deciding the route and alignment of highways. To make sure the road can handle the expected traffic flow, they examine the volume and traffic patterns. To produce a road design that is effective and adheres